I bet you didn't know your morning coffee could get any better. But wait till you try this. Imagine starting your day with a warm, delicious slice of homemade cinnamon coffee cake, perfectly paired with your favorite brew. It's the ultimate comfort food that will make your mornings feel extra special. Today we're making a classic cinnamon coffee cake in just 60 seconds. This recipe is quick, easy, and absolutely scrumptious. Whether you're a seasoned baker or a beginner, you'll find this cake a joy to make and even more delightful to eat. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and grease a baking pan. This step ensures that your cake bakes evenly and comes out of the pan effortlessly. A well-greased pan is key to achieving that perfect slice. In a medium bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients: flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. These ingredients form the foundation of your cake, giving it structure and a tender crumb. Make sure they are well combined to avoid any lumps. Now, grab a large bowl and cream together unsalted butter and granulated sugar until it's light and fluffy. This step is crucial as it incorporates air into the batter, making your cake light and airy. Take your time to achieve that perfect creamy texture. Add in the eggs one at a time and stir in some vanilla extract. The eggs add richness and moisture, while the vanilla enhances the flavor, giving your cake that classic, comforting taste. Gradually mix in those dry ingredients, alternating with sour cream. The sour cream adds a tangy richness and keeps the cake moist. This alternating method ensures a smooth batter without overmixing. Next up, the star of the show, the cinnamon streusel. This sweet spice topping is what sets this coffee cake apart, adding a delightful crunch and burst of cinnamon flavor in every bite. Combine ground cinnamon and brown sugar and get ready to layer. This simple mixture transforms into a deliciously fragrant streusel that will make your kitchen smell heavenly. Spread half the cake batter into your pan, sprinkle with half the streusel, and repeat. This layering technique ensures that every slice of cake has a perfect balance of cake and streusel. Pop it in the oven for 45 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Baking times can vary, so keep an eye on your cake. The toothpick test is a foolproof way to check for doneness. Let it cool, slice it up, and enjoy with your favorite cup of coffee or tea. This cake is perfect for breakfast, brunch, or even as an afternoon treat. Its moist texture and rich flavor make it a crowd pleaser. There you have it, cinnamon coffee cake that's moist, flavorful, and totally irresistible. Share it with friends and family or savor it all by yourself. Either way, it's a delightful way to start your day or enjoy a cozy moment.